Alright. I don't know why I'm looking at my inventory. It's not like I'm gonna change anything. Boy spawns. Where are my runes? Right under him. What is he doing? What is that? I don't know. Yo. The terrain is so scuffed. So scuffed. Stop, bro. He actually hits me? Okay. I need to get my runes, but I'd rather do this. Yes, doggos, hit him. Good doggos. No, 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 no. Like, no. What the heck is that? Okay, I have 10 potions. 11 if you count the physique. And the dream. Let's go, baby. Come on. What the? No. No shot, I missed that. Why is he up there? I'm out of endurance. Heal up. Smack him a bit. He smacks me back. It's fine. It's fine. It's part of the game. That's bullcrap. Stop moving, like, please. Dude, what is he? I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die. No shot. Oh no, it's that attack, it's that attack, it's that attack that murders me. Roll, buddy. I need to stop doing 2 attacks, it's bad. Okay, you can peck me, it's fine. One attack. No shot. Oh, oh, don't miss it, don't miss it. Is he dead? No, run. Oh my god. Get out, bro. Get out of here. Get out. 77k?